and did a hike to a waterfall. That was amazing. But the property itself was stunning. And there was I didn't realize this, but Alaska is part of the largest rainforest in North America. And the backyard of this lodge literally had this beautiful path that reminded me of a Dr. Seuss book, right? And it's none of our pictures really did it justice. It looked so magical with the moss that was covering things. And then there was this giant tree that they had estimated it to be 1,500 years old. It was ginormous. And we were able to do breath work underneath that tree in this magical rainforest.